10 iPhone tricks you will use in daily life. Let's get started. You can quickly send a screenshot to a chat. Just drag and drop it to the chat box and hit send. Slide to the left on the notification, hit on options, and now you can mute it for an hour, mute for today, add to summaries, and many other options you have. You can clear recent apps using 3 fingers instead of one. Tap and hold on an app to reveal more of the settings, and then you can quickly access it. For example, in camera, you can quickly launch video or portrait selfie. You can quickly share your WhatsApp QR code. Hold on the app and tap on My QR code. It will open your QR code for WhatsApp. You can slide across the home page by swiping across it, and then you can drag your app. And you can select more than one app. Tap and hold on an empty area. Tap on the dots, and now you can enable or disable some of the home pages. You can enable music haptics. Go to accessibility, scroll down, go to music haptics. You have 3 options: light, medium, and strong. And you can play a sample as well. Tap and hold on an empty area and then tap on the top left option. Tap on customize. And on the left, you can dim your wallpaper if it feels too bright. Also, you can increase the app icon, which also hides the app icon names. Like the video if you liked the tricks I showed you in this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Peace.